this spooky time with Beany and the crew, you'll see the dreaded boo birds
and the scary things they do.
Thrills and chills beneath the ghostly moon. Boo! And now here's Beany and Cecil in a Bob Clampett cartoon.
Beany and the Boo Birds.
Achoo,
Faster, boy, faster. Speed, that's what we need. Keep that old power. Get him into the sail there, team boy. Get that old team.
How far is it to Balm Springs, Uncle Captain?
Well, according to the map, Beany boy, to get to Balm Springs, we first got to go through Chill Hills, the land of the dreaded Boo Birds. Men, our luck just ran out. So did our ice cubes. Cecil, why don't you go up to that friendly-looking house and borrow a cup of ice cubes, boy?
Aye, aye, sir. Come along, Cecil, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll borrow a bucket of ice cubies from the Hotel Fountainboo. Hotel Fountainboo. Cookie rates for spooks and mates. Anybody to home? What
shall we do to him? Let's see. What's on the calendar for today? February, September, October, November, December, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's it. Let's frighten him. Well, what do you think? Why not?
Pardon me, but may I borrow some ice cubies?
Certainly. But first, mystery guest, sign in, please.
How do you spell X?
Dinner is being served in the Starlight Room, sir.
That's funny. I don't see any stars.
You do now. Our Boo Plate special for today is screen chicken, fried chicken, or chicken chicken, mashed potatoes, ice cream, and today's special, fish, scaracuda, or hammerhead shark with spaghetti, perhaps Monsieur would prefer.
Oh boy, I hope it's my favorite dish, fish.
Right, fillet of sole, fillet of sole, fillet of sole. Come on, let's rock and roll, yeah! We're gonna rock and stop and wiggle, yeah! And give this heel a soul. We're gonna have a really big show. Here are kicks and kick our goal!
Now ain't that a kick in the head? But I ordered hammerhead shark.
Here it is, sir.
Yeah, but is it fresh?
Ooh, is it?
Do you think there's too much violence on television?
Hey, isn't the spook Getty supposed to be thrown in?
Why not?
Doggone you, you little boo birds, you!
Well, that's all. Fillet of sole, fillet of sole. Come on, let's rock and roll, yeah! We're gonna rock and stop and wiggle, yeah! And give this heel a soul. We're gonna have a
Going to drop these guys like a hot potato.
Cecil, what are you thinking of?
I've been thinking of dropping these birds like a hot potato.
Oh, Cecil, what happened to you, boy?
Huh?
Where's the old Cecil I used to know?
Who the heck are you, anywho?
This is your conscience.
Well, doggone. Long time no see.
We made a bad boo-boo.
Why, you little old boober, you. Come quit it now, come on.
Well, on to Balm Springs.
They're going to Balm Springs where the weather's really hot. Cecil and Beany and Huff and Puff. And the Boo Birds, too.